Men have spent centuries trying to understand women, but the truth is, there are some things women will never openly admit to men. Whether it's to protect their pride, maintain the mystery, or simply because society has conditioned them to keep quiet, these secrets remain hidden until now. Today we're diving deep into the hidden truths, the unspoken thoughts, and the little-known secrets that women keep from men. Some of them will surprise you, some will make you laugh, and a few might even change how you see women forever. Let's get started. Secret number one, they overanalyze everything you say. You might think you're just making a simple comment, but to a woman, every word you say is a puzzle piece in a bigger picture. Women naturally analyze details and assign meaning to words, tones, and even pauses in conversation. For example, if you say, "You look nice today," she might wonder, "Did I not look nice yesterday?" If you text back with K instead of OK, she might assume you're upset. She won't tell you this, but trust me, every little thing you say is being mentally dissected. Secret number two, they have fantasies they'll never admit to. Just like men, women have fantasies, desires, and thoughts they might never share, even with their partners. These aren't always physical fantasies. Sometimes they're about different lifestyles, secret crushes, or even imagining what life would be like if they made different choices. It doesn't mean she's unhappy. It just means she has an active imagination. Secret number three, they test you without you knowing. Have you ever noticed that sometimes she asks you a question that seems completely random? Like, would you still love me if I gained 50 pounds? Or, do you think that waitress was attractive? These little tests aren't always conscious, but they help her gauge how much you care, how honest you are, and whether you're the kind of guy who sticks around when things get tough. She won't tell you she's testing you, but rest assured, she's watching how you respond. Secret number four, they keep track of everything you do. Women have a mental record of things you've done, both good and bad. That time you randomly brought her flowers? It's locked in her memory. The time you forgot your anniversary? Yeah, that's in there too. Women may not always bring up past mistakes, but that doesn't mean they've forgotten. Secret number five, they like compliments, even if they act like they don't. If she rolls her eyes or acts unimpressed when you compliment her, don't be fooled. She loves it. Women enjoy hearing that they're beautiful, appreciated, and admired. Even if she doesn't show it outwardly, deep down, those words mean a lot to her. Secret number six, they get jealous, even if they pretend not to. She might say she doesn't care that you liked another woman's picture on Instagram. She might act unbothered when she sees you chatting with a female coworker. But deep inside, oh, she cares. Women are naturally competitive, and they won't always admit when they feel threatened. Instead of showing jealousy outright, they might make subtle comments or even start acting a little distant. Secret number seven, they want you to take the lead sometimes. Women love a man who is confident and decisive. Even the most independent woman secretly appreciates when a man takes charge, whether it's planning a date, making a tough decision, or just being assertive. She won't always tell you she wants you to take the lead, but if you do, she'll definitely notice. Secret number eight, they compare themselves to other women. It doesn't matter how confident a woman is, at some point she's compared herself to another woman. Whether it's about looks, career success, or relationships, women are constantly measuring themselves against others. She might never admit it, but even the most beautiful and accomplished woman has insecurities. Secret number nine, they want you to notice the little things. You don't need to write a poem or buy expensive gifts to make her happy. What she really wants is for you to notice the small things, her new haircut, the way she did her makeup differently, or the effort she put into her outfit. When you notice these details, it makes her feel valued and appreciated. Secret number 10, they keep some things mysterious on purpose. There are things about a woman that she will never let you see, like her weird beauty routines, the embarrassing music she listens to, or how long she actually spends getting ready. She keeps some things private because she wants to maintain a little mystery. Secret number 11, they sometimes fake their reactions. Sometimes a woman will laugh at a joke she doesn't find funny, act surprised when she already knew something, or pretend to enjoy a conversation just to make you feel good. It's not about being dishonest. It's about keeping the peace and making you feel appreciated. Secret number 12, they think about their exes more than they let on. Even if she's totally over her ex, there will be moments when she remembers things, both good and bad. She might hear a song that reminds her of him or see something that triggers an old memory. It doesn't mean she wants him back, but those memories don't just disappear overnight. Secret number 13, they want you to chase them, even in a relationship. Just because she's with you doesn't mean she wants the romance to stop. Women love the thrill of being pursued, even if they're already in a relationship. She won't tell you this directly, but deep down, she wants you to put in effort, surprise her, and make her feel special. Women may keep these secrets, but at the end of the day, they're not trying to deceive men. They just operate differently. Understanding these hidden truths can help build stronger connections, deepen relationships, and maybe even solve a few mysteries along the way. So the next time you catch yourself wondering, what is she thinking? Remember, there's always more beneath the surface. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these secrets surprised you the most.